Phoseon is a leading manufacturer of UV LED curing systems that provide an eco-friendly and energy-saving alternative to existing mercury systems. Our products are designed to fit many use cases, including high-speed pinning and full cure applications. The system we're going to walk through today is the FireEdge FE400 and FE410, both of which provides high output power in a compact package. Both systems feature a half-lamp enable-disable control, adjustable output intensity, and are air-cooled. They also contain our patented target cure and whisper cure technologies to ensure output stability with low ambient noise. Additionally, the FE400 and FE410 are CE, UL, RoHS, and REACH compliant. The FE400 and 410 are uniquely customizable to your project requirements, with 5 different size options: 80, 120, 160, 180, and 240 mm. They are also scalable either in a side-by-side configuration or in a single window frame setup. The lamp can also be outfitted with a replaceable cover glass for easy maintenance. These systems come with a variety of lens options. Our flat lens provides a short, more compact design that is able to distribute energy over a large curing area. On the other hand, our rod lens is able to produce a more focused energy output that better suits applications that require irradiance at a distance. One of our best features these products have to offer is the chassis design. Our standard chassis provide a low-profile solution for most applications. This design features an air intake perpendicular to the light emitting direction. The advanced chassis are a more rugged option that feature an air intake away from the curing surface and a replaceable air filter. It is good for environments where debris such as ink mist and dust are a concern. Finally, the FireEdge hub provides a single input power connector and single control connector for up to 6 of these light sources. This greatly simplifies wiring and integration when multiple LED light sources are used in a system. If you're interested in learning more about how Phoseon can help with your specific curing application, reach out to us at phoseon.com/contact.